Hope you guys doing well in this pandemic and I wish to you and your family for good health and well-being. So today our topic is about coronavirus. In this video, we will see 4 important things about this virus. Number 1, when it started. Number 2, how it started. Number 3, current situation. And at last, when we will get the vaccine. Welcome to the Facts World. Before going to the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. When it started. Yes, we have been facing coronavirus for past 7 to 8 months. We all know that it started from Wuhan, China, and some study shows that it started from November-December 2019. But recently a study from the US suggesting that the coronavirus could have been present in the Chinese city of Wuhan as early as August last year. And this study published by Harvard University. So, what did the research say? This research is based on satellite imagery of traffic movements around hospitals in Wuhan and the tracking of online searches for specific medical symptoms. This research says that there was a noticeable rise in vehicles parking outside 6 hospitals from late August to December 2019. This report says with an increase in searches for possible coronavirus symptoms such as cough and diarrhea. This would be an important finding because the earliest report case in Wuhan was not until the beginning of December. This study has gained a lot of traction in the media, with President Trump who has been highly critical of China's pandemic response. So, does their evidence stand up? The process by which academic papers get checked by the other scientists claims there was an increase in online queries for coronavirus symptoms, particularly diarrhea, on popular Chinese search engine Baidu. And also, what about the number of cars near the 6 hospitals? Across the 6 hospitals, the Harvard study reported a rise in cars in hospital parking lots from August to December 2019. Number 2. How it started. China claimed that this virus SARS-CoV-2 jumped from animal to humans in Wuhan's seafood wholesale market. Now experts said publicly that this theory was wrong and that the virus must have originated elsewhere, according to a Wall Street Journal report. We all know that at first Chinese government tried to hide about this thing. Whoever wants to talk about this virus, the Chinese government threatened and kidnapped them. So, how could we believe them? If they told the world about this virus before, then millions of lives can be saved. Recently, a Chinese virologist, Dr. Li Meng, claims that COVID-19 was made in Wuhan lab. She said that she has scientific proof that the novel coronavirus made in Wuhan laboratory. She is a Chinese scientist had been researching on the novel coronavirus since last year. She claimed that during her investigation on pneumonia in Wuhan, she got to know about this virus and found that there was no response from the World Health Organization when coronavirus was reported. She gets the papers from Chinese Disease Control Office and local doctor tells her all about this. They already know that this virus is human-to-human transmission in November-December. So that one thing you should know that no one can criticize the government from China. That's why she somehow flew to America after getting threatened by Chinese officials. She also said that if we can't overcome it, it will be life-threatening for everyone. She said it in November. Number 3. Current situation. Total coronavirus cases till now 34 million plus and total deaths 1 million plus. And the positive news is 25 million plus has recovered. This virus is not so deadly. The mortality rate is around 3 to 4% and high vulnerable to older people, diabetes and heart patients. Daily new cases is around 325k and daily death is around 6.5 to 7k. Most affected country in the world is USA with 7.5 million plus cases and 213k plus deaths with around 55k daily new cases and 1k daily deaths. Then India with 6.3 million plus cases and 100k plus deaths. Daily 100k new cases and at least 1k deaths. Soon will beat America to become most affected country in the world. If you want to see the full list, I already given a link in the description box. Go and check it out. So number 4, vaccine. So the big question is, when we will get the vaccine? First of all, we have to understand that what are the stages to develop a proper vaccine. The general stages for developing a vaccine are exploratory, then preclinical, clinical trials, then FDA review and approval, and then at last manufacturing. Number 1, exploratory stage. This stage involves basic laboratory research and often lasts 2 to 4 years. In this stage, scientists identify the natural or synthetic antigen that might help prevent or treat diseases. Number 2, preclinical stage. Preclinical studies used tissue culture or cell culture system and animal testing to assess the safety of the candidate vaccine and ability to provoke an immune response. Animal includes mice and monkeys. Number 3, clinical trials. Clinical trials contain in 3 phases: Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3. This first attempt to assess the candidate vaccine in humans involves in a small group of adults between 20 to 80 people. The goals of Phase 1 testing are to assess the safety of the candidate vaccine and to determine the immune response that vaccine provokes. Phase 2 vaccine trial. A larger group of several hundred individuals participates in Phase 2 testing. The goal of Phase 2 testing are to study the candidate vaccine safety, immunogenicity, proposed doses, schedule of immunizations, and method of delivery. Phase 3 vaccine trial. Successful Phase 2 candidate vaccine move on to larger trials involving 1,000 to 10,000 of people. In this phase, random people can participate. Phase 3 goal is to assess vaccine safety in a larger group of people. Vaccine efficacy is tested as well. These factors might include does the candidate vaccine prevent disease? Does it prevent infection with pathogen? Does it lead to production of antibodies? Next stage is approval and licensure. After a successful Phase 3 trial, the vaccine developer will submit a biologic license application to the FDA. Then the FDA will inspect factory and approve the vaccine. Manufacturing. Then the mass number of production will start and ready to distribute. Normally this process takes 10 to 15 years. Right now, at least 180 vaccines early development with 40 in clinical trials and 9 already in the final stage of testing on thousands of people. The ones most talked about: AstraZeneca, Oxford University; Moderna, Pfizer BioNTech; Johnson & Johnson; Sanofi GlaxoSmithKline; Novavax, Sputnik 5, and 3 other Chinese vaccines. So, when will we have a vaccine? A vaccine normally takes years to develop. Researchers hope to achieve the same amount of work in only a few months. Most experts think a vaccine is likely to become widely available by mid-2021. But scientists are optimistic that if trials are successful, then a small number of people, such as healthcare workers, may be vaccinated before the end of this year. AstraZeneca and Moderna will complete their Phase 3 trial in October. If we are lucky, then we will get the vaccine in November or December. But in February-March, we will have the various choices. So, how many people need to be vaccinated? Before jumping into the answer, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button and share with your friends. And how you spent your times during this pandemic, just let me know in the comment section. It is thought that 60 to 70% of people needed to be immune to the virus in order to stop the spreading. An individual need at least 2 doses of vaccine. So if we want to vaccinate of the whole population, then we need at least 16 billion doses, and which is huge. World's Vaccine Hub India and their pharmaceutical company producing 1 billion vaccine of Oxford AstraZeneca. The CEO of this institute said that the whole population would be vaccinated by 2023 to 2024. He also said the price would be around $3 so that the poor countries afford the vaccine. I think you have found your answers. Thank you and signing off.